Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Space. Today in this video session, we will discuss about the new AI tool that is the Ngram. So this is the best tool to create different types of videos. Like you can check their website like ngram.com, and you can log in with your email. So I already log in with my email. So here you can check like different types of tools available from videos to images, audios, and workflow and the different tools. So I will show you here. Like you can create a videos, text to videos, URLs. You can just simply put your product URL and just create your advertisements or anything like related to your products in within minutes. So like you can just transform your PDF to any document like explainer or any topics. Just generate AI clips, image to videos, slides video, and you can also record your screens. And same as like the images, generate background, animate an image, and different workflows is also available. And the best things you can check their tool section here, like different types of tools available. Like you can check it here. Here the different types of tool: music, slides, AI video generator, B2B videos, commercial videos, and so many, like hundreds of tools available. Here you can check it out, and you can create your videos, images, and different types of things within minutes without hire like any professional things, professional persons to expense money on that. So you can check it out. This Ngram tools. This is the best tool to advertise your business products or anything that you want. Like it's also best for the YouTubers to create videos on the different topics like TikToks, everything. So you can like check it out. Like we just go to here home and we can create any videos. So like here I create videos to explain Microsoft Agent Framework. This just for testing. So just I click it here, and you can choose like what types of videos you want to create, like screencast, beauty screenshots, avatar videos, anything this can show. So here I choose like avatar videos, then click on continue, and here need to choose the what bias and the avatars you need to create. So here like I choose this here, and you can use any bias, and then click on next, then click on the continue. And if you have any products URL, so you can just enter it here. So this will paste the information from that URL also. So like I'm here, just continue without URL. You can add your brand image, brand's name, like this just for testing. So I leave it as that, like Microsoft Agent Framework. Then click on continue. Now this just writing a script from on that topic that a video need to be created on the basis of that. So this just created script for the Microsoft Agent Framework. So this, if you want to like not satisfied with these, so you can just regenerate it. So I just simply click on the generate video. So now this just creating the videos and create a different storyboards. So this can be generated. This takes some little time, like disrupting some screen plans, and storyboards. So need to be some wait. So this just created like a five storyboards, and this start generating on that storyboards. Like this created like a 6 second, 4 seconds of that storyboards, like a genetic full voiceover. So this takes some time to create all the storyboards. You can check like here this. completing different types of states like broad training checks, screenplay, directions, talking head visual ready, and avatar animation ready for scene 5, and like different types of things this will create. No, this is just creating a scene by scene. So like uh, 1, 2, and 4, 5 scene is ready. So now this working on screen 3. Take some little more time. So now all the steps is has been completed, and this will complete it for all the scenes. So here now showing all the video, and here you can by clicking on this. So here you can
Building AI
use
agents
the
shouldn't mean stitching
generated
together a
videos.
dozen tools and
This
hoping they
will
cooperate.
create all things
Microsoft
about
Agent Framework brings it
using
all
any
into
tools.
one
So
open source SDK.
that's it. So
Design
it's like
intelligent agents
I
that
will add my
reason,
referral link
remember,
in
and
the
take action.
description of
Orchestrate multiple agents
this
working.
video, so you can check it out my referral link, and you can create an account from that link to get more credits, and you can check that ngground.com to work as your assistant. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.